Welcome back, gardeners. In today's video, we're discussing when and why you might choose to grow cucumbers on the ground, letting them sprawl. This method works well in gardens with ample space and for certain cucumber varieties that can handle moist conditions. Ground growing is ideal if you have plenty of garden space and prefer a low-maintenance approach. Some cucumber varieties, especially those bred for ground growth, can handle the extra moisture and contact with the soil, making this method easy to manage. It's a great option if you're growing a lot of cucumbers and don't need to save vertical space. To keep your cucumbers clean and reduce the risk of rot, it's important to use a ground cover. Straw or landscape fabric works well to prevent the fruits from sitting directly on the soil, where they could become dirty or rot due to moisture. Ground covers also help suppress weeds and maintain soil moisture. Ground-growing cucumbers may need a little extra attention to avoid waterlogging, especially after heavy rain. Check the soil to make sure it drains well and isn't overly saturated. Proper spacing is key to giving the vines room to spread without overcrowding, allowing for better airflow and healthier plants. By letting your cucumbers sprawl on the ground with proper care and ground cover, you can enjoy a productive harvest in larger garden spaces. Stay tuned for more tips on growing cucumbers, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening advice. Happy growing!